Meaning of firefight.
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 Firefight. The term firefight refers to a combat situation where one or more parties engage in battle to extinguish a fire or fight against flames. In this situation, individuals work together to control or suppress fires through the use of equipment and specialized techniques. The result of a successful firefight is the containment and eventual extinguishing of the fire. However, unsuccessful firefight can lead to significant property damage, loss of life, and environmental destruction. Therefore, it is essential to have well-trained firefighting teams and efficient equipment to handle such situations.